what are the different symptoms of indigestion? You will find that if sometimes you get into a party at night, and then ultimately you end up in eating a lot of food, and as a result of it you have a burping, you have a bloating, and then you have a discomfort in your abdomen, you have a discomfort in your stomach, sometimes there is huge acidity, sometimes there is a low acidity. Both the things, all those things, uncomfortable feeling, they lead to your indigestion. And this particular indigestion then causes n number of diseases. Ayurveda said that there are 96% of diseases which are because of actually indigestion, wrong food, or they are connected with our food only. It's very amazing that if we keep our digestion well, then definitely we can keep our complete body 96 to 100% healthy, right? So let's come to what are the different reasons of indigestion, right? So, and then we will go for what are the ways to prevent this indigestion. First, very important reason you will find, which I said, anxiety and stress. See, our brain is completely connected with our gut. Okay, there is a brain gut axis which always live. Anything that affects our brain, that will affect digestion. You will find, say when you see a movie which is very comedy movie, and you are out of stress, you are not in stress. As a result of it, your digestion will also, you will have a lot of good craving and good hormonal changes. You will say, "Well, now I'm hungry, I want to eat food." And this is what very important, that if your stress is released, your digestion is good. So stress and anxiety, you have lot of things to deliver now in your company, and you are not able to deliver them. You have internal pressure, and as a result of it, you have anxiety, a feeling of uncovered, or feeling of think that I am not of any worthiness, I am not of any use to my company or to my project. That feeling gives you anxiety. Lots of reasons of anxiety and stress is different, totally different kind of discussion altogether, but it causes indigestion. The reason is that definitely it will stimulate your adrenal axis, and this adrenal axis will have its own effect. Okay, apart from that, any hormonal changes in the body causes indigestion, and you will find that many diseases, they will have acidity as the first symptoms. Many diseases, they have bloating as another symptom. Okay, so many diseases have direct effect on your gut. Okay, second reason, if you are drinking a certain kind of drinks. So for example, if you are drinking a lot of coffee, you'll have a lot of acidity and indigestion. Coffee or tea, they are the one of the worst for digestion. How? They're a combination of your sugar and your caffeine, as well as the tannic acid. And tannic acid has the astringent properties. It will precipitate the protein. Your proteins will not be absorbed, and as a result of it, and you have a CNS stimulation. Caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant. You will feel good for some period of time, and afterwards you will feel down. So people who are drinking coffee and drinking tea, they will ultimately have some headache if there are stress situation. Okay, they'll not able to handle stress too much. Okay, on the contrary, those who are not drinking coffee, not drinking tea, and they are drinking something which is actually very compatible to our body, they can have definitely get rid of this headache, and they can have very good digestion. People who are drinking tea or coffee, they may have to go to washroom for multiple times, right? Similarly, alcohol is another thing which actually potentiates the desire as well as the craving, and takes away the ability of digestion. Okay, similarly, chocolates, lot of fatty acids, lot of spices. If you have up to certain limit, if you eat spices, your digestion actually shoots up, but immediately after that, your acidity shoots up much more than required, and as a result of it, it causes indigestion. Okay, it causes your burning sensation in your stomach.